Hello, my name's Pete Burrows from Towing and Trailers, and today we're going to go through simple checks that you need to do on a trailer before you tow to make sure that you are legal and safe. The first thing, starting at the front of the trailer, is to check that it has a breakaway cable or a secondary coupling cable and that it isn't damaged. The breakaway cable is a thin cable used on a braked trailer. A secondary coupling cable is on an unbraked trailer. It's a lot heavier and it keeps the trailer behind the car if it comes uncoupled. The next part to check is the wheels and tyres. Make sure that you've got enough tread, that there is no debris stuck in the tread, and if possible use a simple gauge and check the pressure. If the pressures are low on a tyre, as you go along the walls on the tyres flex and it can cause the tyres to blow out. The maximum pressure is regularly shown on the sidewall of the tyre. It will state that the tyre will carry a certain load at a certain pressure. These particular tyres will carry 900 kilos at 90 psi, so these want to be run very close to 90 psi. Other tyres on smaller trailers can have lower pressures down to 30 psi depending on the tyre and the load that it's designed to carry. The next thing is check the wheel nuts and make sure that none of these are loose. It is a good idea, if possible, to use a torque wrench and go round and check all the nuts and bolts to make sure they are correctly tightened. Then, once that's all done, it is nice to check the handbrake. Just make sure that it's operating and things are working. And then plug it into your vehicle, make sure that it couples up correctly, plug it in and check all the lights. Once the trailer's been checked at the front, the tyres, the brakes operating correctly, the breakaway cable's there, it's good to come to the back, to put it on the back of the car, plug the lights in, come to the back and check the lights and make sure that all the lights work, the side lights, the brake lights, the fog lights and the indicators, both left and right. Once that's done, you need to couple the correct number plate up on the back of the trailer. Doing all these checks will make sure that you don't have any tyre problems, blowouts, etc. You don't get pulled over for defective lights. The brakes, if the handbrake's coming up correctly, you shouldn't have any problems with those. And the breakaway cable, most of the points that I have mentioned are the main things that people have problems with while travelling, and also things that police will give you points for if things aren't correct. Please look through our channel because we have more videos showing deeper checks to do over a longer schedule, and also how to repair and diagnose problems with all the main parts of a trailer.